Rain, a life-giver, sustains our planet. Its gentle drops nourish forests, replenish rivers, and quench the thirst of countless creatures. Yet a hidden danger often lurks within this seemingly pure elixir, acid rain. Acid rain, a silent threat, carries with it the potential for widespread ecological damage. It is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the profound impact human activities can have on the delicate balance of nature. Acid rain forms when rainwater mixes with certain gases in the atmosphere. These gases, primarily sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, transform into powerful acids. This acidic precipitation then falls back to Earth, impacting the environment in a myriad of ways. The consequences of acid rain are far-reaching, affecting not only natural ecosystems but also human structures and our very health. To understand the impact of acid rain, we must first delve into the concept of pH. The pH scale, ranging from 0 to 14, measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Pure water has a neutral pH of 7. Values below 7 indicate acidity, while values above 7 indicate alkalinity. Rainwater, even in its purest form, is naturally slightly acidic due to the presence of carbon dioxide, which forms weak carbonic acid when dissolved in water. However, the introduction of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides disrupts this delicate balance. These gases, released primarily through the burning of fossil fuels, react with water, oxygen, and other substances in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid, respectively. These strong acids significantly lower the pH of rainwater, making it considerably more acidic than normal rain. This increased acidity is what gives acid rain its destructive power. While acid rain is often associated with human activities, it's important to note that natural sources also contribute to its formation. Volcanic eruptions, for instance, can release large quantities of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Similarly, decaying vegetation and wildfires can emit both sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These natural processes, while contributing to acid rain, are often localized and occur over shorter periods, posing less of a long-term threat compared to human-induced sources. The primary culprit behind the widespread acid rain we see today is the burning of fossil fuels. Coal-fired power plants, industrial facilities and vehicles release vast amounts of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. These emissions, often concentrated in heavily industrialized areas, can travel long distances carried by winds, leading to acid rain far from the source of pollution. Section 4. The unseen toll. Acid rain's devastating effects. Acid rain's insidious nature lies in its gradual, often unseen impact. Its effects are most pronounced in aquatic ecosystems, where it disrupts the delicate balance of life. As acid rain falls into lakes, rivers and streams, it acidifies the water, making it uninhabitable for many aquatic species. Fish, amphibians and invertebrates are particularly vulnerable, with even slight changes in pH affecting their reproduction, growth and survival. Forests, too, bear the brunt of acid rain's wrath. Acid rain leaches essential nutrients from the soil, depriving trees of the nourishment they need to thrive. It also damages leaves, hindering their ability to photosynthesize and produce energy. Over time, acid rain weakens trees, making them more susceptible to disease, pests, and harsh weather conditions. The corrosive power of acid rain extends beyond the natural world, impacting human structures as well. Buildings, monuments, and statues, especially those made of limestone or marble, are particularly vulnerable. Acid rain reacts with the calcium carbonate in these materials, slowly dissolving them over time. This leads to irreparable damage, disfiguring intricate carvings, and weakening the structural integrity of these cultural treasures. Section 5. Turning the tide, a call to action. The fight against acid rain is a battle for the future of our planet. It requires a collective effort, a global commitment to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The transition to cleaner energy sources such as solar, wind and hydropower is paramount. Investing in energy efficiency measures, both in our homes and industries, will further reduce our carbon footprint. We must also remember that the fight against acid rain is not just about technological advancements, it's about changing our behavior. Opting for public transport, cycling, or walking instead of using private vehicles can significantly reduce emissions. Supporting policies that promote sustainable practices and hold industries accountable for their environmental impact is crucial. The silent downpour of acid rain is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. It's a call to action, a plea to protect the delicate balance of nature. By understanding the causes and consequences of acid rain and by embracing sustainable practices, we can turn the tide and ensure a healthier future for generations to come.